guys, welcome to our channel. It's Formal Friday and day 8 of lockdown. If you are new around here, you'll notice that this is a little bit different to our usual videos on our channel. So you're welcome to check out our travel videos. And if you haven't done so yet, please go and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. We usually post on Sundays, but with the lockdown, we're trying to post a bit more frequently and we don't want you missing out on anything. So just a quick update. Craig has been working. He brought his work computers home and he set up in the spare room. And I am actually still on school holiday. We have been staying at home. We haven't gone to the shops at all. We have run out of a few supplies like bread. We've actually been trying all these recipes that people have been posting on Facebook. If you would like to see us attempt those recipes, please tell us in the comments below. Today, I'm going to try out this foam coffee that I've been seeing all over social media, especially on TikTok. So I thought I'd try it out, share it with you guys, and let you know how it goes. And then I want to go and surprise Craig because he's been working all week while I've just been relaxing. So here goes. So you need to boil some water. You need 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then you just whisk it all together. I think I'm done. It took about 5 minutes of mixing. This is the consistency it's at. It's more moussey than foamy. It's a bit thicker than I thought it would be. So what they do in the videos is they make like a little iced coffee out of it. So here's the milk and we are just going to scoop it on top of there, I guess. The mousse itself tastes a little bit bitter and also a bit sweet. Hopefully mixing it with milk would be better. But I'm gonna take it to Craig and he can taste it first. Let's go! Hey babe, I made you a surprise.
Thank you. What is this?
It's like a foam coffee, but it's more like moussey. Just mix it up there with the milk. It's like an iced coffee now. Oh my word.
Looks like peanut butter.
Oh no.
Wow, it's pretty good. It's strong. Enjoying my iced coffee.
On Formal Friday.
Formal Friday, look at us, eh? We might be home, but we're still dressed up.
It's the first time in over a week that I've straightened my hair.
Thanks to Jimmy Kimmel who started Formal Fridays. We are trying it out.
Can we taste? With maybe a bit less coffee.
Less coffee, yeah. It's a bit strong, but it's good.
So do 3 even tablespoons of coffee and not 3 heaps.
Did you do 3 heaped spoons of coffee in 1 cup? Like,
You like your espressos?
no wonder it's strong.
This will keep you going for the rest of the afternoon. You have what, 2 more hours of work left?
Yep. Keep you going for the rest of the weekend.
Okay guys, so we hope you have a good weekend on lockdown again. It's our second lockdown weekend. We have some plans this weekend.
I'm going to try run a marathon, which is 42 k's in our little car park we have. So I will be filming that and hopefully I will finish the 42 k's.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. and give it a thumbs up.
Cheers.